Hello. Today will be the last time I use this voice. So tune in for the voice reveal, but onto the video. Number 1. Open a composer island. You get one for free, but the next you will need 50 or more diamonds, depending on how many islands you've got. I'm going to buy a new island, just for you. Step 2. Get a new monster. Go to the shop and buy a monster. Choose a monster that can do a beat. This will help with Step 3. Compose music. You need a good beat first. There's quite a few monsters that make drum sounds. But I'm going to be using T-Rocks. Composing time. And when you're done, try using other monsters. Make sure to save your work. Here's the song so far. Time to get more monsters. When editing, you can press here to see other monsters' compositions. You can adjust speed here. And save your work. And after adding a couple more monsters.
wow, 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 wow.
And make sure to add a title. And that's all for the basic tutorial. If you were here for the memes, comment down below. And tune in for the next video, for my voice reveal.